Okay, I already launched my Google Sheet. All right, and as you can see, we are going to look into conditional format or formatting. Now, this is an interesting thing that you can do if you prefer to use color coding. All right, that I always have been using. Okay, so go into the format, and you will have a conditional formatting, which will create the rules, right, that you want to use over here. And you can do actually a lot of things. Like right now, I'm actually selecting the C3 cell. Right. So I can always say, all right, if the cell is uh, empty, all right, so if the cell uh, okay, is empty, what should I do? All right, I can say, okay, fill it with red color. So you can see something like that. So the moment I put a value inside there, oh, see, it's no longer red color. But if I take it out, it's red color. All right, and you can do that for a lot of things. It's not just for empty. Like for instance, I can say, okay, for this particular cell, all right, it could be, okay, let's say it is less than 40. Okay, let's say it is less than 40. All right, so if it's a less than 40, highlight it as red. So if I key in, so sorry, okay, so if I key in a 1 over here, okay, I think I made a mistake here. Oh, done. Okay, just give me a moment. I think I clear the, all right, so you can say, okay, if this cell is less than, okay, less than, let's say 40, all right, okay, then what do I want to format it as? Maybe red color, and I can put a done over here. All right, so okay, let's, if I go to 60, all right, it doesn't work that way, but I can add another level. All right, okay, I can say if it's between, okay, so if it's between what, let's say uh, 40 to 70, then I can maybe put it as yellow color, for instance. Right, so if we drop to 39, right, if it goes up to 50, and this means that I just need to set the condition, and it can do highlighting for me, so it makes it easy for me to read my spreadsheet. But of course, you also can make use of all these other customization that you can see over here. Set as many rules or that you like. All right.